how to remove card from Spotify. Now, I'm currently using my laptop right now, but if you're using the app from your mobile device, it actually works the same thing. So on your browser, just simply type in Spotify. Just choose on the Spotify.com official site. From here, all you have to do first is just simply log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, just simply press or click on your profile right here and then go to account. Now, from here, just scroll down a bit and go to saved payment cards. Now, this is going to be the page in which your payment methods or your specific credit cards or any cards that you have entered on your Spotify account will be here. Now, as you can see, there is no current credit cards involved here because I did not um, add any cards that I have on from my Spotify. So once you have added a card from here and then you wanted to remove that, just simply press on the card that you wanted to be removed, and just there will be an option there that says delete or remove card. So that's it. That's how quick you can remove a card from your Spotify account.